Hello everyone, and welcome to CampaignTrackly, the simple and efficient campaign building hub that now comes with its own link shortener. Since tagging links with UTMs can make them incredibly long and, more importantly, waste valuable space, we came up with our own solution. Say hello to Ctrl-li-aio. This link shortener is automatically integrated into your CampaignTrackly account as soon as you sign up, which means you can immediately compact links as you go for all of your campaigns moving forward, and for your previous ones too. All you need to do is define it as your default shortener. Don't worry, there's a lot more where that came from. Ctrl-li also offers a few features of its own that help you target your newly shortened links to various audiences. You can add a special alias to your link to keep track of it. You can define an expiration date. You can add a password to restrict access to certain users. You can define which countries your links will reach. And you can even track your audiences by which device they use. To top it all off, your data is arranged in a clean and clear visual representation of user engagement across the different platforms and countries you promoted your links to, on their own or in bulk, and over any length of time, which goes hand in hand with your Google Analytics data and gives you even more information to work with. With all these features that Ctrl-li offers, you can shorten your digital campaign production cycles and keep extensive flexibility in deciding how you want to track and target your audiences. If you have any questions or issues with these features, you can always contact us at support@CampaignTrackly.com. And if you want to see more of what CampaignTrackly has to offer, make sure to check out our channel and subscribe for more updates to make your path to completion short and seamless.